Welcome to Vridivage Finance and the GMP prediction for Technoclean Air India Limited by Vridivage Finance. We will come back to you with this is one of the engineering product as we seen, and they are the market leader as we speak about Vridivage Finance because in across all IPOs, this is the IPO is the attraction for all investors. If you go and check out their reports, how many number of investors subscribe this IPO, what is their category, how they subscribe it, and what is maximum point they got it. Is it sustainability? Is it what? I don't understand. Do you understand it? Let me know it. What exactly Technoclean Air India Limited speak about it, or their business strategy, or their networks. Do you believe it or not? We are not aware. So we will not go with the DHRPC detail because all YouTubers who call them fintech is doing this a lot. Yeah, very soonly we will launch some of the other videos by Monday. Probably you will have it on our YouTube channel where people are watching those old video and I don't understand even. So the IPO detail is Technoend and the issue period 12th November 2025 till 14th November 2025. 100% book building issue type price range between 378 to 397 per equity share, face value 10 per equity share, and the third bid lot will be 37 equity per share and then multiple thereof. Maximum number of subscription amount for retail individual investor up to 2 lakh. IPO market time 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book running lead manager JM Financial Limited, Axis Capital Limited, Citigroup Global Marketing India Private Limited, HSBC Securities and Capital Market India Private Limited. Sponsored bank is ICICI Bank and Axis Bank Limited. So, what the consolidated reports speak about this IPO of Technoclean Air India Limited? See, in the whole year, I think this is not whole year, but within this 3 months, I have not checked a domestic detail, so I'm not sure. But within this IPO, I see that within this month of November, this is the highest IPO has got subscribed. The qualified institutional buyers subscribed this IPO 166.42 number of total mint for the category, where non-individual investors show interest in this IPO is 40.784 number of total mint for the category, and retail individual investors show interest in this IPO 5.11 number of total mint for the category. Overall, this IPO has got subscribed 58.83 number of total mint for the category. Now, Ridhivej Finance audience's favorite topic, and that is what Techno Clean Air India's GMP prediction. I know the few people only come to our YouTube channel to check out the GMP predictions. Yeah, when Pine Lab has launched their IPO into the market, somebody check out the grow. And that's quite cool. They don't walk through the grow what we have delivered to the market. Grow, I think we have given a perfect analysis about some around. Not grow, even let's cut. But Pine Lab, we skip it and we realize it that I think we have not done any sort of mistake that we understand. So Technoclean Air India Limited, we have given this IPO. See the right now we see this is the positivity in this IPO, so we will give it to you 430 rupees to 470 rupees band between, means 450 is in between. So for 470 maximum up to, it will not cross 500 510 or something. So 450, 430, 470. What is your opinion of market listing for Techno Clean Air India Limited? It will not cross 600. Chill. 550 is maximum. We can speak about it. And suppose this, they will not give it to you discount of for 100%. Who knows? But there is no discount offer. We will say there will be fixed price issue for all of you. And guess what? We will not give it to any discount offer for Technoclean Air India Limited because their grassroots are good. I mean, this is like a tree. Even you pull it, they will come up with the production. Thank you, by Prithvish Finance. Do you believe it? They needed really discount offer? I don't think so. Hey guys, you can check our other two videos about physics wala GMP prediction and stock analysis on Pine Lab, which will be worth for your wallet. And another one is the GMP prediction for MV Photovoltaic Power Limited is based on a green energy limited. Trust me, this is also valuable for all of you. I hope you will loved it. Apart from that, you can check our stock analysis on Grow and Lenskart. What speak the future of both IPOs in the nearest, both the stock in the nearest upcoming days. I guess we should launch on daily basis something about the stock analysis since we started our YouTube channel. So you will gain it what we deliver to the market, how much, because as of now we see that the people comes for their own purpose and really work or not, we are not aware.